friends, Running Kimono here. So this is your Walgreens curbside video for the week of the 12th to the 18th. You have right till Saturday the 18th to put in an order curbside for some of these cheap little items. And don't we love that Olay Super Serum for $8, the Vaseline for 49 cents. It's perfect. We're getting into winter. We're going to need these moisturizers and some cheap Halloween candy. A lot of you have been asking for the Halloween candy deal, and I have it in this video. What a curbside order means is you're ordering this stuff through the Walgreens app, hitting the box on the left-hand side with the green check, paying for it, driving to the store, and that is lovingly known as a curbside pickup. Now, alternatively, if you're the kind of shopper that wants to be in store and you're just like, hey, I really don't care for this online stuff or putting in a digital order, watch yesterday's video. I will link it at the very end, or sorry, Sunday's video. I'll link it at the end. Lots of great information here, great deals in store. There's a lot. And in case you missed it, on Monday, I posted this video where a lot of toys at select stores, not every store has it, 90% off, very cheap toys. And with Christmas right around the corners, I know a lot of you give generously for Toys for Tots, or if you have a very large family, $50 of Walgreens cash, you probably will have every kid covered. I'll also link this at the very end. If you guys could do me a huge kindness and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up or hit the hype button, I would be so grateful. And I think this is the last day, which is the 14th, for 2 free 5x7 prints with the code FREE2PICK, exactly as pictured on the screen. You can do this once per card, but if you're going to pick up your curbside order, maybe put an order in for this. And when you're picking up your prints, punch in your phone number in case a booster might print for you. Also have this, which is an extra 15% off of a $25 order with pickup 15, 25% off of a $45 order with pickup 20. So it's a little bit more than WAG 10. So just throw these in your back pocket for this week's deal. Let's get right into it, guys, with deal number 1. This is everybody's favorite. It is the candy. So we're going to load the $1 off. This is a My Walgreens coupon. I believe every account got this one. It's not like 3 people in Idaho got it and nobody else. Everybody should have this one. And sorry, Idaho, I'm not picking on you, just the first state I thought of. For this one, we're grabbing a bunch of Mars candy. That includes 4 bags of the M&Ms, and they're on a buy one, get one free promotion. I will let you guys know, too, that if you are a Christmas baker or if there's a component to one of your cookies, stock up now, because I think that these candy prices are going to get even more as we get closer to Christmas. We're also going to throw in 2 of the Twix, and I'm just randomly grabbing items that I think would make a good basket, but if you just wanted to go full on with M&Ms, go for it. And then 2 of the Milky Way, and these are all Mars little candies. And as you could see, that little coupon is attaching to all of them, so that is really fantastic. And now we have $2 off for the Mars. The free ones, you're not going to get $1 off too, unfortunately not. And then we can also use the code PICKUP15. The overall total is $27.96, $5.88 melting off with PICKUP15 and that instant value Walgreens coupon. $22.08. If you wish to use $20 in Walgreens cash, go for it. And if those M&Ms are a secret part of a cookie recipe for Christmas, I would personally stock up right now just to ensure that you have that special secret ingredient on the cheap. The next deal that we're looking at is deal number 2, and this might be my favorite deal of the week. $34.99 for the Olay Super Serum, and this is the larger one. It is the 1-ounce bottle. Now, some of you might have a $10 off one along with a $5 Walgreens coupon. That's $15 off. Unfortunately, on this one card, I did not have it, so it's going to be kind of harder to show you guys how this is going to work. But you can use the code PICKUP15 for an additional $5.25 off. So, hey, that's nothing to sneeze at. I'm also going to get you guys to go over to your IBOTTA account because there is $7 back when you buy this product. So when you do go pick it up at the store, you will have to ask the cashier to process it through a regular register so you can get a physical receipt to send it off to IBOTTA because you definitely want that $7 back. And again, you need a $10 manufacturer and a $5 store coupon. to get that additional $15 off. So the overall total is $34.99. Subtracting the $15 with the manufacturer and the $5 store coupon, and then using that promotion code an additional $5.25 off. So you will be paying with tax $17, getting $7 back from IBOTTA. It makes this Olay Super Serum $10 after everything's said and done, not factoring in the tax, about $8, which is not bad. So I would definitely try and do this if you can line up the coupons perfectly. Deal number 3. This one's going to be a lot of makeup. We're going to be grabbing 2 of the Maybelline Color Sensation lipsticks. In some markets, it's $7.99, but up here in the middle of nowhere, Michigan, it's $8.99. We have a 6 off 2 manufacturer, and then the Walgreens coupon is a 6 off of 3. See? So right below the item, you're just going to press that plus button to activate them. I think this is a gorgeous color for fall. It's like a navy blue by Etsy. We have a $3 off manufacturer, and that goofy 6 off of 3 is in fact attaching to this polish. Now, because there are so many coupons mixing and floating around, we need to add this in to get the math to balance. It is a bag of the Nice brand. It is so delicious if you like trail mix and M&Ms. Check this out. Essie, $3 off. The L'Oreal Maybelline 6 off 3 coming off. WAG 10 for an additional 85 cents, and the 6 off 2 manufacturer for Maybelline. The overall total for this basket is $25.46, $6.85 melting off, plus an additional $9. So we're looking at $10.61. I could not get pickup 15 to rock and roll with this one, but you guys might have better luck than I. I had to go with WAG 10. But yeah, this is a very cheap basket. If you wanted to use $10 in Walgreens cash, go for it. And if you can get that other coupon code to work, possibly add a second bag of Magic Mix or other Halloween candy. Okay, so now we're looking at deal number 4. For this one, we're going to be throwing in 2 of the L'Oreal Paris mascaras at $11.99. Buy one, get one 50% off. We have an 8 off of 2 digital manufacturer and a 4 off of 2 Walgreens coupon. We're also going to throw in 2 of these Vaseline lotions. Buy one, get one 50% off with a 4 off 2 digital coupon. Over on your Fetch rewards, there's also 2,500 points when you buy each of these lotions. So you're going to get an additional $2.50 back, making it super cheap. I think it's like 49 cents after everything is said and done. You're also going to grab one of these Aveeno Skin Relief Repairing Hand Masks. So you put your hand in there and your hand looks instantly like it's 20 again. And we have a $3 off manufacturer coupon. I just made that up, guys. So the overall total here, just look at the chorus line. $4 coming off for that weird coupon. Vaseline, WAG 10, $8, $3 off. The overall total is $29.75. $8 in promos and digital coupons melting off, a little bit of tax, and $12. If you want to use $10 in Walgreens cash and pay 98 cents, that's terrific. And remember, because you're photographing this receipt to Fetch, you must ask the cashier to process it through a regular register so you get that physical receipt. To sign up with IBOTTA or Fetch, check out my referral links in the notes if you haven't signed up for either app. Start earning money today. And to watch Sunday's video in store, I will link it right here along with the toys video linked right here. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.